Best Sink Splash Guards Review. In this video, we'll share with you some of the most popular kitchen sink splash guards in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes these guards so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use these splash guards. The one that made our list is the Blue Ginkgo Sink Splash Guard. By placing it in front of your sink, you can stay dry and spend less time cleaning up. This works great in the bathroom too. The bottom of the splash guard is a big suction cup, specifically designed for granite, laminate, and solid surface countertops. If it ever begins to lose grip, simply remove it, dry it thoroughly, and reapply to a dry, smooth surface. Once you're done with your dishes, simply wipe this splash guard dry. If you ever need to, you can remove it and put it in the dishwasher to clean it too. And to disinfect it, simply place it in some hot water. This specially designed guard, with its soft rounded corners, is aesthetically pleasing, whether it's in front of your sink or behind the island faucet. Most importantly, it is made from high quality BPA-free silicone and is meant for long-lasting use. To check out the full specs of the Blue Ginkgo Sink Splash Guard and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/sinkguards. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use these guards. So there you have it, the Blue Ginkgo Sink Splash Guard. Considering the quality of the product, the overall functionality, and its ease of use, we feel that this splash guard is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Blue Ginkgo Sink Splash Guard and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/sinkguards. Alright, thank you for watching.